I will make a video. Inside the 50 comments, you see like 30 people saying God will bless you. Then you now see like 8 people in the comment section that will be saying God will punish you. You're a mumu person. And these are the ones who claim to be Christians. They are the ones who are being pained because I was saying that their pastor cannot perform miracle. Out of 8 of you, you now think that God will answer your prayer ahead of 30 people that are already saying God will bless me. You be mumu now. And you want me to believe that you're a better Christian than you know the Bible, now you got the answer pass. The only thing your pastors can do is to arrest or send people to kill people who are criticizing them. And no spiritual power can kill anybody criticizing your pastor. In the entire Bible, the most anointed man is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. He was flogged, stripped naked, mocked publicly, and killed. God did not punish. God did not kill who killed the Son of God. Who be your pastor? I want to know the anointing where I get that God will lead people. We are not even killing your pastor. We're only saying they are faking miracles. They are ignorant. It is a God will come kill us for that. The only thing pastor can do is to kill us, send assassin. That is why I'm not surprised when all these people are saying that the pastors are sending assassin to them. Not be today start. The only man God called God after his own heart is David. Yeah, David sleep with another person's wife. Send the man to be killed. And you think your pastor cannot do it? Yeah, yeah, defending man. When Bible say fear man, it is say your pastor not included. You think their pastor is excluded? And you are telling me the pastor is a good man. He was giving scholarship. What's the difference between your pastor and politician who are also giving scholarship and sharing bag of rice? You think by being a philanthropist you're helping people that your pastor is good, that means he's not staging miracle? Is that what you're saying? That he doesn't lie? Hush Puppy is a better giver than most of you pastors. Hush Puppy, they do give away. So Hush Puppy now is a good man because in they share money online. Do you know who they call Almighty Joe? Do you know who they call Shida Rambo? Do you know who they call Lawrence Anini? Yes, these are hardened criminals in the early 70s. In fact, Anini case is that, how do people know that Anini succeed in an armed robber case? He will block market and be sharing money to less privileged. Giving giveaway. All these things Charlie Poppy is doing now. Now waiting Anini they do. If you raw finish, we spray money on the street. People, less privileged will be picking money. So he's doing it. Does it mean that he's not an armed robber? Let me tell you, I have a mission. The mission is to open your brain to start thinking. We perish in this country for lack of knowledge. That is why we are perishing. And those men who stand to deceive you, whether in the altar or as a tradition of politicians, it is my aim, my focus to criticize them. And when you are telling me I'm posting to trend, before Uncle, you don't want the truth to trend past the evil. Is that what you're saying? I'm posting to trend. I'm looking for your attention and I've gotten it.